First of all, I want to say thank you very much for your support. They see everything, they tell me everything as soon as they support me, and those way they involve me into their personal prayers. I really appreciate all of you, and God will continue to bless you now.
Amen.
And of course, once when jam me for street, if anything dey my hand, now when I get time.
Okay, my people. We don't dey live for the Teslim Balogun Stadium, where the Super Eagles of Nigeria are go play against Central African Republic for the World Cup qualification. We go share for Qatar in 2022. Nigeria don't win their 2 games first against Liberia and Cape Verde. We go continue to the win. If you ask me, now who I go use that ask. We say, or we know say the team Central Africa don't use that train their own for like 1 hour. And our boys officially don't dey for inside the stadium to train a day before this big match. My name na Nokala Onyebuchi, but as you call me the Laba Master, representing Football Republic for Mount Chukmouth Station 95.1 Wazobia FM La Ba. Like the love they very massive of Victor Osimhen like this. Why they feel now? Say when you enter Nigeria, why you don't boss Napoli finish, boss Italy, you enter Nigeria, the fans really push you up and down. How they love to be for you?
They're massive, you know, for me to come back and do what I love to do for my country. I think now a very big privilege, and I'm happy today. And of course, the love we I don't receive since I came, don't really they very massive. And of course, they're ready tomorrow to give my all for the common good of the team.
Talking about tomorrow, for this World Cup qualification, you don't score good goal when we travel go Cape Verde. Right, I don't come Lagos, born in Lagos boy Gongo, Central African Republic. What you going to expect from you tomorrow?
From me, or I say from the whole team. Because,
from you, gone then the team go follow.
I think no. For me, the team they come first before me, and I think say all of us don't they ready. Like you can see the training, the intensity they very high. Every player is ready to give their best, and of course we don't feel underrate any team because we know waiting happen for Benin where we play with Sierra Leone. So we approach this game with all seriousness and very clear mindset to get the 3 points.
At least I'm gonna get the 3 points first for house before you start travel. Go you start. They do 1 or 2 things. Right now, talking about Afcon, you start go your journey for Napoli. You don't score like back to back goals. You get a beautiful way you score against Leicester. Sorry, in Chodovex, where you score against them. But now your form for Italy done massive. Like waiting, maybe be the extra team, maybe now your team or the coaches will make you improve so much. Be a fantastic player, we know. But don't say Italy they very hard. But now they take the league like on fire. What's happening? Like you won't cut so for us.
Nothing like so, but I first of all I thank God for everything, for this kind of fun where I did, and of course my teammates and the new coach done they very helpful to me, and after each training they always take me on for personal drilling, and of course they really helped me where we're on and off the pitch, and I think for me to tell them thank you now, to give my all on the pitch and get more goals for the team, and I think waiting I don't do, not really for me. I never did much impressed about my performance, but I did very happy. Say a lot of people did more impressed, and I think I still get more to give the team.
If you're not impressed, you impress. Last question, right there. For Nigeria like this, no jokes. You get plenty fans from Nigeria to foreign. I will see how them be for you. Just in like 30 seconds, like just give shout out to your friends because they appreciate you. Just tell them what's in your mind.
No, tell them. I don't know. I want to start. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for your support. They see everything, they tell me everything as soon as they support me, and those way they involve me into their personal prayers. I really appreciate all of you, and God will continue to bless you now.
Amen.
And of course, once when I jam me for street, if anything dey my hand, now when I get time. But any paper I demand, and I get them. But aside from my phone, I know they give anybody.
to be back with the Nigerian national team? Don't tell, so you know.
Well, I did very happy because every player's game. Every player wants to play for the national team, and be here is a thing of joy for me.
Hopefully, thank you. Hopefully, you get to score tomorrow.
Well, pressure playing. Sorry, that's the pressure in the team. We are just